Definitely seeing some curl definition again. Wow, the ends have definitely curled up a lot. Alright, so I emptied 2 of these in the jug because it needs to be flat. It cannot be carbonated and stuff because when the carbon dioxide mixes with the water, it creates hard water, and then that's a whole other issue in your hair. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna stir it and stuff every now and then to make sure all the carbon dioxide comes out and it's completely flat. So now I'm gonna add 1 cup of distilled water and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And that is basically the mixture. Now for the bare rinse. Oh, it's cold. Ew, it stinks. So a few of the benefits of using Bare in your hair is that it's an amazing dandruff treatment because the hops and the yeast, as well as its acidic pH, really cleanses your scalp and kills excess bacteria and stuff that may be on your scalp causing dandruff and other scalp issues. In addition to that, it also softens your hair and adds a whole lot of shine. Alright, so I'm gonna put this away for like 10 minutes. So this is how it looks with the beer on it. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I couldn't find my shower cap, so I just put a little rubber band on my hair. No. I will say, like, the parts of my hair that is like my completely natural texture feel thick. Okay, girl? She feels thick, and you can see the volume at the roots. The ends do not look as vibrant as I would like, but the roots definitely feel thick. So it is a protein-like treatment on your hair, so it does strengthen and fortify your strands in that regard. Beer is also said to add volume to the hair. You can still definitely see the lack of texture up here, and then the ends have some texture, so that's crazy. Now, another thing I will say about the Beer on my hair, as it dries from my hair being out, it does have that same sticky feel that the Aftercare 2-step reconstructor does. You know, that stinky liquid one that is like a heavy protein treatment. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse this out. This is how it looks freshly rinsed from the beer. Definitely seeing some curl definition again, not just a frizz ball. Let's see this section. The ends have definitely curled up a lot. This section here, still not doing what I would like. Look at the root to the end. You definitely see more curl definition at the ends, and there is some like stray pieces in mid shaft, which sucks. Let's take a look at the front piece. I will say, after the Beer treatment, my hair does not feel fluffy and soft. It does feel like I just did a protein treatment. So it does have that tensile strength that you would expect. That's how it feels. So I would say if you're going to do this, definitely follow up with a deep condition because protein overload is a real thing. So this is how it looks after regular conditioner and the beer rinse. There definitely is a lot more texture in my hair. Alright guys, so this is the end result. I deep conditioned my hair and everything, so after using the bear on my hair, you can see how it looks. Now that my hair is dried, well, it's not dried, it's still damp, but like it's gotten like frizzy after I detangled it and all of that. But you can still see more of my texture and definition if you look in the back and stuff right here. You can still see more texture and definition than before, where it looked like straight hair that was just frizzy. Now let's take a look at the section in the front that literally is the bane of my existence. Now it is frizzy. Let me see if it is frizzy, but as you can see, there is a little bit of pattern in it. It's not completely bone straight. And the section in the side here, that was a little problematic as well. If you can see, there is a lot of texture at the ends, and just like right here mid shaft, there's still a little bit, it's a little straight, but there is a lot more texture in it. So we're gonna continue this journey and see which things yield the most results, if all of them together yielded results, and which things I want to possibly repeat and see how it's gonna help me get my hair to where it needs to be. All right guys, until next time, bye-bye.